This is absolutely every dog walker's worst nightmare. Even through the bag, I can still feel its temperature and texture. To be honest, I'm a bit of a neat freak. This really ruined my good mood for the day. That's when I remembered the Anycubic 3D printer at home. You should know, I've already used it to solve many problems before. So this time, I decided to use the same trick again. I can say with certainty, this is an absolute blessing for every pet owner. This is the ultimate solution for walking dogs outdoors. The Poop Scooper Tool. Okay, I can't wait to show you how useful it is. Without further ado, let's test it out. Friendly reminder, avoid watching before or after meals. So, what do you think? Isn't it super practical? All of this is thanks to this Anycubic 3D printer. With it, you can really save a lot of money. You can print and create whatever you want. I heard they've recently launched many new products. Anyway, I've already prepared my wallet. I'll share the link to this model in the comments section. On Anycubic's model website, Maker Online, there are even more fun and interesting models waiting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. See you next time.